A visibly energized commander-in-chief led the celebration of the police force's 124th founding in the PNP headquarters in Camp Crame earlier today. In his speech, he touted the latest 5-minute law and order brainchild of the PNP chief, whose demonstration he was pleased to witness. As our Harley Valbuena reports.
10 sir, NUP Calosa, sir. Exact 20, 13 Martires Police Station, Barangay Gregorio, 13 Martires City, sir.
Thank you.
At the celebration of the 124th anniversary of the police service, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself witnessed the live simulation of Philippine National Police 911 hotline system, along with the 5-minute response rule. PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III led the demonstration, using the residence of 13 Martires City Mayor Gemma Lubigan as the sample area to respond to. And in just a short while,
So we are there in 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Yes, sir.
according to PNP, in over 3,500 calls received by 911 from June 2 to August 10 this year, 94% or 9 in every 10 calls were acted upon within 5 minutes.
5 minutes, just a relatively small window of time, but 5 minutes can mean the difference between safety and danger, even between life and death.
In this fast-changing world, every second matters, and in the PNP, every second counts.
Moreover, crime incidents from August 2024 to June 2025 decreased by 7.75% compared to the data from August 2023 to June 2024. Meanwhile, the value of confiscated illegal drugs from July 1, 2022 to August 10, 2025 totaled 54.6 billion pesos, 258% higher than the seized drugs from the same period during the past administration. In over 153,000 conducted anti-illegal drug operations, almost 200,000 individuals were arrested, including high-value and street-level suspects. In a ceremony at the PNP Oval, the President also conferred medals to some outstanding police personnel and police units. PNP's different unit forces were also paraded, along with new equipment and vehicles. President Marcos, meanwhile, left a stern warning to police personnel who continue to abuse their authority.
We will continue to investigate and hold these people accountable within the bounds of the law. Inuulit ko, walang lugar ang katiwalian sa ating kapulisan.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.